I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting what matters: paper, ruler, pencil, pens, and your dataset. First, sketch a quick layout in pencil so you know spacing. This prevents cramped bars or overlapping labels. Once done, mark margins and draw light axes or a circle guide for a pie. Make sure to label axes and reserve a legend area if needed. This initial plan keeps your chart proportional and readable before you commit with ink or color. Now you lay down the framework. Measure and mark equal intervals along axes or the circle circumference. You do this so each data unit corresponds to consistent length. It's why your ruler and a simple scale are essential. Once your tick marks are placed, write clear numeric labels and unit names. Avoid clutter. After verifying spacing against sample data, trace key lines in pen to lock the structure, but keep grid or helper lines faint so they finally transfer data. Plot points precisely or fill bars to the measured height and double-check each value as you go. Use different colors or patterns for categories and add a concise title, axis labels, and a small legend so viewers understand at a glance. Once ink is dry, erase pencil guides and tidy edges. If something looks off, remeasure the suspect area against your scale before altering. This quick check finds misplotted values without ruining the whole chart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.